Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to size electrical wire for any circuit. We will cover the essentials for safe, efficient, and compliant electrical wiring. Using undersized wire is dangerous, leading to overheating, voltage drop, and fire hazards. The blueprint involves 6 key factors: load current, safety factor, wire gauge, voltage drop, environment, and circuit breaker sizing. Step 1 is calculating the load current in amps. You'll use Ohm's law, current equals power in watts divided by voltage in volts. Step 2 involves applying the safety factor. If a load runs for 3 hours or more, multiply the calculated amps by 1.25. This ensures the circuit operates at only 80% of its maximum capacity. Step 3 is selecting the correct wire gauge. The necessary wire size, like American wire gauge, depends directly on the current you calculated. Remember, a smaller AWG number means a thicker wire. Step 4 is calculating voltage drop. Long wires increase resistance. A rule of thumb is that if the wire run is longer than 30 meters, you should upsize to the next thicker gauge to limit voltage drop. Step 5 is considering the environment. Wires lose capacity based on where they live. Factors like bundled wires trapping heat or high ambient temperature require derating the current capacity. Check insulation types for resistance to heat and moisture. Step 6 is circuit breaker sizing. The golden rule is that breakers protect the wire, not the appliance. Therefore, the wire ampacity and the breaker rating must match. For example, 12 Rubin Florins wire with a 20 amp limit requires a 20 amp breaker. Let's review a real-world example of sizing for a 2,400 watt heater on a 240 volt supply. The calculations show a design current of 12.5 amps, requiring 14 Rubin Florins wire and a 15 amp breaker. Here is a quick cheat sheet with common household circuits, showing typical wire sizes and matching breaker ratings for quick reference. The professional standard is to always size wires using the current first, then verify the distance and environment. Safe wiring is no accident.